Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix League of Legends update error code 004. So if you're getting this error, patching failed and we are not sure why, please restart the client to try patching again, error code 004. So if you're getting this error in League of Legends game, then here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first fix is to close Riot client and Vanguard. Then delete Riot Games folder from Appdata folder. Then run Riot client as admin. Repair the League of Legends game files. Then restart your PC and then start VG service. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So here I will provide the steps, just follow them. So first of all, open Task Manager. So right click on this taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Now look for League of Legends. If it is open, then close it. Then look for Riot client. Right click on it and then click on End Task to close it. And close all the Riot client or Riot Vanguard related services from the Task Manager. Also make sure Riot client and Riot Vanguard is closed from here. And after closing Riot client and Vanguard from the PC completely, then press Windows plus R button to open the run box. And in the run box, type %local appdata% and then click on OK. Now here look for the Riot Games folder. Here it is. Right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Don't forget to delete it. Then relaunch the Riot client as an administrator. So in Windows search type Riot client and then click on run as administrator to open the Riot client app as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. And once the Riot client opens, click on your profile icon, then click on settings. Then from the here select League of Legends game. Scroll down and then click on repair button to repair the game files. And after the 100% repair of the game files has been done, then restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then start the VGC services. So in Windows search type services and open the services. Then here look for VGC services. Here it is. Right click on it and then select properties. In the starter tab, select automatic and then click on start and then hit on apply. OK, and then again restart your PC. And after your PC restart, and then launch the Riot client as an admin and then go to the League of Legends tab, and here you will see the update option. So click on update, and after the update is complete, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to perform network reset. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on network and internet. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings and then click on network reset and then click on reset now. Now before performing the network reset, first read this paragraph over here and then click on reset now, and if you agree, only then click on yes to confirm. This will reset the network on your PC. Then reconnect your Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to run the League of Legends as an admin. So go to the League of Legends game installation folder. So open C drive, open Riot Games folder, open League of Legends folder, open the game folder, and here you will find League of Legends exe file. Right click on it and select run as administrator and see if that helps or not. If not, then click on properties, go to compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then double click this League of Legends exe file and see if that helps or not. Fix 4 is to update your graphics card driver. So NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then go to driver sections and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the League of Legends game and check if your error is fixed or not. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to temporarily disable your antivirus program. So if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, Webroot, then disable your antivirus program and then launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. Later on, you can enable your antivirus program. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve League of Legends error code 004. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.